All right, so we're combining our dressing ingredients. So we have a quarter cup of non-dairy sour cream, 2 tablespoons of non-dairy mayo. Veganese is my favorite. A clove of garlic, minced. Half a teaspoon of celery seed. Some seasoned salt, a quarter teaspoon of that. A quarter teaspoon of dry mustard, that might have been paprika. A quarter teaspoon of chervil leaves, a quarter teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of dried dill weed, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. There's the dried mustard. All the spices, mix it all up. Get your savory, delicious dressing. Okay, and then in another bowl, you'll combine your veggies. 3 cups of shredded cabbage, 1/3 cup of carrots, shredded, and a couple tablespoons of diced yellow onion. Mix that all up nice. Yeah, mix and mix and mix. And then finally, you're just going to add the dressing to the veggies and mix that all up. And so there you go. Coleslaw, just like Grandma made. Enjoy.